Rack storage systems are a powerful and scalable solution that is widely employed in various energy storage applications, as they require minimal installation space while also providing high energy density. The low-voltage 48V battery module from Jarwin, a prominent manufacturer of lithium-based storage solutions, employs the standard rack module design to deliver a rated capacity of 50 ampere hours or 2.4 kilowatt hours of power storage. The high-performance lithium-iron phosphate or LFP batteries enclosed in a simple rack-mounted unit allow for greater integration, space-saving installation, and optimal adaptation to any application. The clients can choose from a wide range of capacities from 4.8 to 19.2 kilowatt hours of power to meet their daily energy needs, thanks to the system's outstanding flexibility that can be expanded by connecting 2 to 8 modules in parallel per rack. LFP cells used in our batteries provide multiple benefits, such as longer lifespan, increased safety and reliability. It is compatible for use with a majority of the mainstream inverter brands on the market. Also, the CAN and RS485 ports present at the rear side facilitate stable communication between the inverter and batteries, contributing to the effective real-time monitoring of the system's operation.